So with Black Friday sales and end of year sales and New Year sales, many stores are looking to have sales on their store to be able to attract customers. The end of year is a busy time for a lot of stores. And so I wanted to share with you three ideas that you can use on your store to help attract customers. I'm going to show you three ideas from three popular websites. And just as a side note, if you're ever looking for ideas, one thing that you can always do is look at what bigger brands are doing specifically in the same industry that you're in. If you can kind of look at what they're doing on their store, you can see things that work and then implement it on your store. So that's kind of what we're doing here. I'm going to show you how you can look for things that work and then implement it on your store. So if you notice here, this is the product page of Nike's store. You notice here what immediately sticks out. There's two things that stick out mainly. It's this red text here and this green text. Everything else is black and white. But because you have those two text colors stand out, it shows that this is important. But this is the one that you see more of. Extra 25% off with Black Friday. And this is because we're in a Black Friday sale. So this could be something that you could consider. You could add a piece of text under each product in when you have the search results on your store, under each product that falls under this category, you can add a simple piece of text, extra 25% off. But you notice one thing, they have it in a separate color. So if your product description is black and gray, don't put this also as black and gray. Use something like green, red, blue, something that's easy to read, but it also stands out enough that it draws the eyes of the customer to get them to click and learn more about that product. So having this banner under your search results for your products, something that you can use on your Shopify store. The next example that we're going to look at is the homepage banner. So this is on Best Buy's website. You notice that as soon as you hit the website, the first thing that you see is this banner. Black Friday is here. Shop deals by category. There's 12 different items that the customer can choose from and learn more. So that is also something that you could consider adding is a Black Friday or a banner highlighting the sale. In this case, we're in Black Friday time. Next month, you could be doing end of year sales or the New Year sales. But you can have this banner on your website, front page, top of the page, to be able to attract the eyes of the customers and let them know exactly what sale you're offering and some of the products that they can purchase. So they did a very good job here highlighting the sale. And again, you notice the difference in colors. So Black Friday is here. Your eyes immediately track to that yellow. And look at also what they did. This is yellow, and then this shop now button is yellow. So it attracts your eye to that specific action here. So because this is something that is highlighted on the page, you click shop now, and then all of a sudden you're being able to go through the items and go through the deals. So that's also something that you can use from what Best Buy is doing. And then the third thing here is we're going to look at rooms to grow and what they're doing. So if you look at this specific product, you see that they have these items here, sale, sale, sale. They have this banner on a specific product. This is also useful because now, again, your eye is attracted to the red color. Look at what two things stand out, this sale here and this add to cart button. So again, add a banner or add a badge like this to the products on the search results. Customers can immediately, they see it's on sale, they like it, they see the image, they see another image here, they can add to cart. You add a badge on your products, now the customer sees that this product is on sale, it's end of year, maybe they've been thinking about it all year, or maybe they've seen it once, they came back, they've seen it twice, they see it's on sale, they see it's a good deal, they add it to the cart. So these are just three examples of things that you can do on your store, especially during the sale time. As many companies or many stores are running sales, three ideas that you can use that I wanted to share. If you'd like to implement this on your store, if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help you and work with you on this. But I hope this video was helpful and thank you.